morning, children. We had learned in grammar chapter number 7 present continuous and past continuous. What are present continuous tense? Now today we are going to do about the past continuous. What are past continuous? The continuous form can be also used in the past tense. The past continuous tense has been used in the following ways. The past continuous tense has been used in following ways. In the previous session we had learned about present continuous. Now today we are going to learn about past continuous. What are past continuous tense? Number 1, for action which were going on at a particular time in the past. For action means the action which was going on at a particular time in the past. For example, I was singing. My mother was washing her hair. Over here it is saying that I was singing. W-A-S was. My mother was washing her hair. So this both the examples is showing about the past at a particular time. 2 number, when action 1 began and was going on before action 2 in the past. Example, I was singing, that is the action 1, when it began to rain. When I started singing, it began to rain, that is action 2. They were making dinner when the guest arrived. Now when a guest is going to come, your mama will cook dinner. So she'll make the preparation beforehand only. She won't wait for the guest to come. Okay, let the guest come, then I'll make the dinner. No. So what is the situation? They were making dinner when the guest arrived. So the dinner they were making when the guest arrived. I was reading a book when the telephone bell rang. I was reading a book when the telephone rang. The book which I was reading, I was continuously reading it. At that time the telephone rang. So what is the example? Over here it says, when action 1 began and was going on before action 2 in the past. So action 1 is showing us the beginning and the present, what's going on before the action 2 in the past. So I was singing. Action 1 is what it shows. I was singing when it began to rain. I was singing when it began to rain. When she was singing, that time it was not raining. But when she started singing, I was singing, it began to rain. They were making dinner when the guest arrived. So what they were doing? They were making dinner when the guest arrived. I was reading a book when the telephone rang. When you were reading a book, that time telephone rang. Now over here you can see subject plus was or were plus V1 plus ing plus object. Now over here subject plus was were plus V1 plus ing plus object. So subject means what? Noun and pronoun over here. Then was and were, that is a helping verb. And it can be used, was is used for singular, where is used for plural, were is used for plural. V1 is used in present tense, that is the main verb. V1 means what? The main verb that is used in the present tense, means go, run, sleep, sing, dance, and then after adding ing. Over here you can see SING, sing is there, but I have add ing, so becomes singing plus object, right? So over here you can see your nouns and pronoun, that is the subject. I, he, she, Rita, Rahul. Was and were is what? A helping verb. It is a helping verb. Then main verb is what? Singing. The main verb is given singing. And plus it is an object, a song. So you can see he, she, Rita, Rahul was singing a song. Now we will make few sentences with the help of this table. So I was singing a song. He was singing a song. She was singing a song. Rita was singing a song. Rahul was singing a song. Over here is what? V1 is means what? It is a main verb. Main verb. And after the main word we are adding ing. So it becomes continuous, past continuous. So I was singing a song. He was singing a song. She was singing a song. Rita was singing a song. Rahul was singing a song. Now go to the next page. You, we, they, children. These are also a noun pronoun verb we have used because it is in plural form. sing, singing. It is a main verb only. We have had ing. A song. Now this is what? This is a plural form. So in plural what will you say? You were singing a song. We were singing a song. They were singing a song. Children were singing a song. So this is the past tense form of the sentences. Subject plus helping verb plus main verb plus other objects. So like that you can make many sentences. You were going to the market. We were coming from the picnic. They were sleeping because they were tired. Children were playing in the garden, right? So like that you can make lots and lots of sentences. In this, as much as sentences you make, as much as practice you do, you will be able to do it. You can make many different sentences. I was singing a song. So you can say I was playing with my cousin. He was singing a song. So instead of singing you can use playing word. You can use playing word, you can use dancing word, you can use main verb, that is V1, anything, and you can make sentences of it. So present continuous and past continuous. In previous session we learned about present continuous, and in previous session we learned about present continuous, and today we are going to learn about the past continuous. So the continuous form can be also used in the past tense. The past continuous tense has been used in following ways: for action which were going on at a particular time in the past. Example, particular time in the past means in the past at a particular time the action has been done. I was singing, was has been used. My mother was washing her hair. When action 1 begin and was going on before action 2 in the past. So example, I was singing, action 1. When it began to rain, action 2. They were making dinner when the guest arrived. I was reading a book when the telephone rang. So all these are the action words. So dear children, write this exercise in your grammar notebook with neat and clean handwriting.